Testing, testing. Alright, we're gonna go do a little cruise. We're in the, I want to say, Newport area. Excuse my... Ooh, we made it. Cars out here. Look at that Land Rover over there. The views are just beautiful. Oh. These roads are so nice too. It's just nice paved roads, beautiful hills. Look at that Focus ST or Fiesta ST, whatever that is. The Porsche. Oh, yeah, some beautiful, nice hills to just cruise over here in. I wish I had riding buddies though. Makes it a lot funner. If you guys are curious what kind of bike I'm on, this is a Gsxr 750 2012. And I'm super fucking short. I'm 5'1", and I lowered it, I want to say 1.5 inches. That was nice. I'm still learning how to do them. That was probably one of the better ones, maybe because I'm filming. I hope it's capturing the sound well, because it's really windy out and this exhaust is freaking loud. It's an M4. I believe it doesn't have a cap.